Hi, I'm Jessica Johnson. I'm an agri-science teacher at Walla High, and I've been in the district for 11 years. So I actually grew up in College Place and then transferred to Walla High. When I came to high school, I'm a Blue Devil, proud of that. After high school, I went to the community college here in Walla Walla and then got my degree from the University of Idaho. My mom was a teacher, and so she helped to inspire me to do this, and I'm just proud to be here and proud to be part of the Walla High family. Agriculture education is everything food and fiber. No matter what background students have or what goals they have in the future, the one thing that we all have in common is that we all need to eat. So what draws me to agriculture education is everyone has a tie to it. Everything from the actual field work, the production, the growing, the farming, to the processing, the transport, everything that comes into growing what we need to survive. That's really what draws me into ag education. In addition to that, having the opportunity to wear the blue jacket of the National FFA is a huge draw for me and something that I enjoyed as a young person, and I like to show students what opportunities are available with that as well. I would suggest ag education for every student simply because we help to make the connections from what they see out in the real world in their everyday lives and to many different concepts, math, science, English, and how they can apply those things into real world situations. One of the greatest things about my job is not only being a teacher, but also an FFA advisor, and the many opportunities that the National FFA offers for students. Everything from maybe a smaller activity that our chapter might put on where a student can get to know new friends and learn something new, all the way up to attending the National FFA convention with 60,000 other students and learning all the opportunities that are available for careers and lifestyles beyond Walla High and beyond the classroom. One of my greatest joys is seeing students realize that and realize their potential and see opportunities that they didn't know were there before. And it's special for me to have a hand in that and to be able to introduce them to everything that's out there. I grew up in Walla Walla. My whole family's here. Both sides of my family, both sides of my husband's family. We live just west of town a little bit and have a little acreage. And one thing that we both really enjoy doing is team roping competitively throughout the western United States. So really, if I'm not at work, I'm usually in my arena. I'm Jessica Johnson, and I am Walla Walla Public Schools.